Hey, I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite app for accounts receivable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize report data by accounting period in NetSuite. So on the top left, I will go to Home, Set Preferences. I'll choose the tab Analytics. And then in that reporting section, you see Report by Period. So you can choose to sort and filter all reports by period or only financial reports. If you find this video helpful, please like it. Some important notes to keep in mind. Reports cannot display results until accounting periods for the entire fiscal year are set up. In NetSuite One World, subsidiary fiscal calendars determine date ranges for periods in reports. And third, to organize KPI scorecard data by period, check the Use Periods option on the scorecard record. Don't forget to join the newsletter that I'm leaving in the comments for more NetSuite tips and tutorials, and see you in the next one.